Hello kids, today we are going to revise lesson number 7, our body. Our body is a wonderful machine. Our body is wonderful machine. In this lesson, we learned about different organ systems and their functioning and our sense organs. So now we are going to revise again once time this one. We use different parts of our body to carry out different activities all through the day. Most part of our body work together to help us to do so. For example, when we write with our hand, our eyes make sure we write correctly, while our brain helps us understand what we are writing. Some parts of our body perform very important functions that keep us alive. They are called organs, such as the brain, heart, lungs are some organs of the body. Many organs work together to carry out special bodily functions and thus form organ system. For example, nose, windpipe, lungs perform the function of respiration, that is called the breathing. They form the respiratory system. Look in this picture, kids. It is the respiratory organ system. In this, nose, windpipe, lungs perform the function of respiration, that is called a breathing. This is respiratory system. In this, nose, windpipe, lung works together. Understood, no? Okay. Now see, this is the skeletal system. Just as a house skeletal system is just as a house supported by a concrete pillar, and tent has a pole to support it. Our whole body is supported by bony structure called the skeleton. How our houses are supported by poles, by concrete pillars. That type, our body is also supported by a bony structure called the skeleton. The bones of our body make up the skeletal system. The skeleton gives the shape support to our body. It also protects the important and delicate organs. Some important delicate organs, the bone covers that organs, such as the brain covered by a skull, heart covered by ribs, eyes, lungs, and the spinal cord. This is the skeletal system of human being. Do you know, teeth made up of enamel and dentine are part of the skeletal system but are not counted as a bone. Teeth made up of enamel and dentine are part of skeletal system but are not counted as bone. Now see, muscular system. We have different muscles. We have different muscles which make up muscular system. different muscles which make up the muscular system of our body. Muscles help us to move various parts of our body. We can control the action of some muscles. They are known as voluntary muscles. They are attached to the bones. We can control some actions. Of some muscles. That muscles are called voluntary muscles. They are attached to bones. We do not have control over certain muscles. We do not have control. Those muscles, those of the are heart, lung, which work continuously, carry out every important functions. These muscles are called involuntary muscles. We cannot control the brain and heart working. That one muscles are called involuntary muscles. Muscular system and skeletal system work in coordination. Muscular system, skeletal system work in coordination and enable us to move our body parts like our fingers, hands, legs, tongue, eyelids, etc. Muscular system, skeletal system and muscular system work coordinately and enable to move our body parts like our fingers, finger movements, hand movements, leg movements, tongue movement, eyelids, etc. Do you know, kids, muscles of the heart are called cardiac muscle. Muscles of the heart are called the cardiac muscles. Respiratory system. The respiratory system comprises nose, windpipe and the lung. Nose, windpipe and the lungs. It helps us to take in air, use the oxygen in it for our bodily functions and expel the carbon dioxide. We breathe in means inhale air and breathe out means exhale it through our nose. This air goes through the windpipe into lungs. The oxygen from the air is taken in while the rest is thrown out through the nose. The oxygen from the air is taken in while the rest means along with the carbon dioxide remaining all is thrown out through the nose. The respiratory system comprises nose, windpipe, lungs. It helps to take in air, use the oxygen in and it for our bodily functions and expel carbon dioxide. We breathe in or inhale air and breathe out means exhale it through our nose. This air goes through the windpipe into our lungs. The oxygen from the air is taken in while the rest means along with the other air, example carbon dioxide, is thrown out through the nose. Understood, no kids? Okay. Now see digestive system. The digestive system is the process. It starts in our mouth. Okay. Digestive system is the process. Digestive system process is the. It starts in our mouth. When we eat our food, is made up of complex substances. Okay, these substances are broken down into simpler substances which can be absorbed by the body for proper functioning. This process is called the digestion. See kids, whatever we eat, that food is made up of complex substances. These substances are broken down into simpler substances. It just starts from mouth, which can be absorbed by the body for proper functioning. This process is called the digestion. The mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and the anus make up the digestive system. These all parts work together in digestive system. Digestion process. The digestion process start in our mouth. Digestive system comprises mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. The digestion process starts in our mouth when we chew our food. This food mixes with the saliva and becomes soft. It carries to the stomach through the food pipe or esophagus. The food is digested in the stomach with the help of digestive juice. Only a part of digestion process takes place in stomach. The food remains here for about 3 to 4 hours. The food remains here for 3 to 4 hours, which after pass through the small intestine to complete the rest of the digestion. Here the blood absorbs useful substances from the digested food and carries it to all the parts of the body. The undigested food or waste matter then passes into the large intestine before being thrown out of the body through the anus. Understood now kids how digestion process take place in digestive system? Okay. Now next see circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system of our body is made up of the heart, blood and tube-like organs called the blood vessels. The heart is the main organ of circulatory system and pump blood to all the parts of our body through our blood vessels. Are you seeing no red veins? Okay. Next one, nerve system. The nerve system is made up of brain, spinal cord and the nerves. The brain receives different kinds of messages from the sense organs, send out messages to the different parts of the organ of the body to carry the certain action or movement. Sense organs. We need sense organs. Sense organs are organs that help us to sense our surroundings by giving us different kinds of information about it. We have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. The brain receives the different kinds of messages from the sense organs that are eyes, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, say next. Eyes, nose, tongue, skin and ears. These are our 5 sense organs. The brain receives different kinds of messages from these sense organs and send out messages to the different parts of the body to carry out certain actions. Our eyes help us to see. Our ears help us to hear. Our nose help us to smell. Our tongue help us to taste, and our skin help us to feel, such as a heat, cold, rain, pain, etc. Okay. Now last one, excretory system. Excretory system. The excretory system is made up of 2 kidney, ureterus, urinary bladder and the urethra. The excretory system made up of 2 kidneys, ureterus, urinary bladder and the urethra. It helps in removal of waste product from our body by the process of excretion in the form of urine. Understood, no kids? How our body contains different organ system and that performs different functions. Our body contains different organ system that perform different organ functions. Okay, and the skeletal system give the shape, support and protection to our body. Respiratory system helps our body to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Digestive system carry out process of digestion. Circulatory system carries oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. Nervous system carry messages in our body and help us to think and learn. Sense organs include eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. They help us to sense our surroundings. The excretory system remove waste from our body. And one remain the reproductive system. With the help of this system, give birth to the young ones. Okay, kids, understood now? Which one lesson we learned? Our body. We learned about our body and organ systems. Okay? Here our lesson division over. Today's your homework is you read the lesson and see this one diagrams carefully. Try to draw it. Only simply draw it. Which one is here there? Try this one. The excretory system. Draw this one on rough page. Draw this one in your book and label the parts. Okay. If it is possible, you want to draw, you draw simple pictures. Okay? First of all, your main homework is you read the lesson carefully. Understood now? Thank you for watching the video.